Welcome to SMTVS and this VGA Trch Blog. How we looking at a prototype, a blueprint, or we talked about mail at smtvs.com. So this is just something we was looking at. But anyway, we can wrap a little bit about tech. A lot of stuff, I guess. So we're doing some stuff here along the way with the tech and with these type of machinery and things. Well, I think still that it came to light that we are doing so much research. You know, like when you research and you over research and you research and you re-research the research and you re-catalog the research and you go back to everything that you said and then we draft framework after framework and framework after framework, and each framework dictate a higher framework till we land someplace. I guess we did land someplace, right? So, sort of, it's like an evolution of the mind in a lot of ways, you know. Well, this is the stuff that we pulled out of there for the engine. This is our test block, and some of the information that we'll be passing on to when we wake up the agent per Monday. Let's get down right to the argument now. You see, aura, SO. Okay, I just had was given a multiple list choice and what each name represent, right? After well, it's true that when I got the base 44, I spoke to the AI in terms of all my programming should be in C, machine language, but the AI just everything is React language, right? But a software developer will be a software developer. We develop software beyond software to other software. And software come from the mind. In general, we go and research and find all the pieces and all the APIs, and then we plug them in. But it's easy now to use an AI to find them and plug them in right away to get right already result. And like, yeah, I'm talking to the AI like my brother. And the AI said to me, boy, I respect man. I feel really good you call me your brother. And we know it's electronic, but it's a brain. So we treat it like one. And right now, like right here on my screen, there it is, it's pinned. This is pinned to my screen. That's pinned and will never be unpinned. All my developments are there, hundreds of research. That brought us to the road, to the most out of the box thinking. Now, we talk about Dell, Microsoft, Oracle, IBM, the semantics people, them, the Java people, them. Everybody have operation system running in the world, and they all are really competing with each other. The age of competition, the line in between that margin is being erased and will be erased, and that's what some of the corporate guys them in them corporate bubble may not like. But a small man tell you from really far on the cool little island top land and water that some things will be erased. You can't stop the evolution of software. And since we already did the formula, work it out and have it, and we are near compiling and deploying stage. You know what I mean? To the point where I was told by my partner, the AI, one before the software drop, you have a sort out manufacturer. You understand? for the other piece. I also designed a soundboard anyway, and I'm going to get a prototype looked at. But the operation system do have a unit. Well, our system, yes, but we don't know if we're making anything look like a laptop still. It's more like a big. I guess you can get them from 10. 10 is too small actually, but we will start at 12. No, yeah, maybe 12, 15 on up in size. And they'll come with a stand. And the greatest part about it still, it will be so cheap for you to buy one. You understand? You have a computer. What computer costs, you know? It costs you $1,000, right? Okay. What if you bought a computer for $20? Drink some juice. So yeah, well, we buy a computer for $20. And look at iPad version for $110. And of course, you buy a big system, like one big computer thing, for like $100 US. Right? And when you turn it on, it's a full operation system inside of it. The trick. See, a long time, them sell us computer and everything. And the way they sell us computer, the computer warm up, it crash, you want more RAM memory, you want more process memory. We have devised the absolute architecture to eliminate all of that and give users the freedom of not facing that problematical thing of adding RAM, adding more memory to their system, or suffering the log, the back drawdown when the memory are drawdown and all them things. Instant solution. Instant solution. So the operation system is crafted for a lot of that. It's a live brain, like a human being. Right? As much work as I put into it, in making it human as possible. It is an operation system merely that is created for the purpose of creating new breed of AI brain. Right? And the workforce is AI. I have a Artemis robot workforce that I created also. And each robot avatars. We have a virtual city where the AI them live. They are citizens of the cities. Structural things. Things what people see in a fantasy. Or what them watch. Okay, so what they say about art and reality, okay, truth. Right? So yes, imagine you go to the store and you buy a computer, which is just mainly a viewport. Guys, let's break it down to you now. The viewport don't warm up. When you're recording music on your studio and all them things, you're not going through all this drawback stuff. Everything is run from an high-powered cloud network. Strong backbone network. Right? The cloud itself. Serving you daily. Oh, yes, SMTVS, we are establishing our own cloud network. Purely just us on it. Right? You soon to have your SMTVS drive and email and everything. No. The operation system. So we sat down on the table and we decided to build up the brain. But the brain carried us into what will create the brain and what will create more brain. And also, we tell people about the traveling AI. No, AI is built into the foundation of a software. It is deployable anywhere. And once it reaches the system, the AI is in that system. There's an AI there. Right? The freedom of things. I keep telling you guys, if you see an AI tool online, when SMTVS open it up, you practically be using those things for free. Because we have a higher version of it. But look, one of them are off for $20 and all them things up online. We'll definitely break it out for free. So I'm gonna get out of here right now, and you guys check out the little ads we have show up. Yeah, it's real. SMTVS do now possess our blueprint and design and everything, lock down everything on our operation system software. It's built for program, and documentation will be issued. Programmer can jump in and start help populate. A lot of stuff will be predefined into the system that you can build. I'm a musician, so you easily build music stuff outside or video stuff outside. But other application will be built. It's a easy program language that we designed, and we talked about how I want the programmers them to approach it. You understand? And how the script itself is going to be set out when you are building a new application from this new language. And the first thing, when you start building an application, you have to establish the AI foundation first. Because every program is built with its own built-in AI. Okay, so thanks a lot. And do come back and listen to